Before you start taking Evotaz, make sure to read the Patient Information Leaflet from your pharmacist. Take this medication by mouth with food once daily as directed by your doctor. It's important to drink plenty of fluids while taking this medication to lower your risk of kidney problems. If you are taking antacids or buffered forms of drugs, make sure to take Evotaz at least 2 hours before or 1 hour after these medications. Remember to take this medication at the same time every day to get the best effect. Do not skip any doses and do not take more or less of this drug than prescribed by your doctor. It is very important to continue taking Evotaz exactly as your doctor has instructed. If you experience nausea that lasts or gets worse, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. It's also important to remember that the benefits of taking this medication outweigh the risk of side effects for most people. As your immune system gets stronger, it may start to fight off infections you already had, potentially causing disease symptoms to return. You may also experience symptoms if your immune system becomes overactive. It's important to seek medical help right away if you experience any serious symptoms, such as unexplained weight loss, severe tiredness, muscle aches/weakness, severe headaches, joint pain, numbness/tingling, vision changes, signs of infection, signs of an overactive thyroid, or signs of a certain nerve problem known as Guillain-Barré syndrome. Additionally, it's important to tell your doctor right away if you experience increased thirst/urination, dizziness, signs of kidney problems, signs of liver problems, signs of a heart attack, or changes in body fat. This medication can also cause a rash, so seek medical help if you develop any rash. While very serious allergic reactions are rare, it's important to seek medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction. If you experience any other effects not listed here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before taking Evotaz, it's important to tell your doctor about any allergies you may have, as well as your medical history, especially if you have liver problems, kidney problems, heart problems, or a certain bleeding problem. This medication may also increase the level of cholesterol and fats in your blood, which could increase your risk for heart problems. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits of treatment with your doctor and find ways to lower your risk of heart disease. It's also important to inform your doctor about all the products you use before having surgery, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. Evotaz is not recommended for use during pregnancy, as it may not work well in a pregnant woman. If you become pregnant or think you may be pregnant, tell your doctor right away. It's also important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding if you are taking Evotaz, as it may pass into breast milk and transmit HIV. When taking Evotaz, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. This means that other medications you may be taking could affect how Evotaz works, or vice versa. Make sure to keep a list of all the medications, including prescription, non-prescription, and herbal products, that you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Some products that may interact with Evotaz include certain medications used to treat chronic hepatitis C, certain alpha blockers, certain benzodiazepines, drugs to treat erectile dysfunction or pulmonary hypertension, certain statin, cholesterol drugs, and others. Additionally, there are medications that can affect the removal of Evotaz from your body, which may also affect how it works. Examples of these medications include certain HIV and NRTIs, certain drugs used to treat seizures, and St. John's wort, among others. It's also important to note that prescription and non-prescription drugs to treat heartburn, indigestion, or ulcers can reduce stomach acid and decrease the absorption of Evotaz, potentially preventing it from working well. If you are taking hormonal birth control, Evotaz may decrease its effectiveness, so it's important to talk to your doctor about additional or alternative reliable forms of birth control. And finally, it's crucial not to use Evotaz with other products that contain atazanavir or cobicistat. If you suspect an overdose or experience severe symptoms such as passing out or trouble breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call their provincial poison control center for assistance. Symptoms of an overdose may include severe dizziness and lightheadedness. It is important not to share Evotaz with others. Before starting and during the course of taking this medication, it is essential to undergo various lab and medical tests such as viral load, T-cell counts, liver/kidney function, cholesterol/triglyceride levels, and blood sugar levels. It is important to keep all scheduled medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. If you forget to take a dose of Evotaz, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the usual time. Do not take an extra dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Evotaz, it's important to keep it at room temperature, away from light and moisture. Be sure not to store it in the bathroom and always keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes time to dispose of the medication, it's important to do so properly. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.